So day number 3 of rain. So there's absolutely no flying in this kind of weather. It's been about 4 or 5 months of building and flying now for me, and the amount of stuff that you just gather, miscellaneous parts, you know, zip ties and wires and drone pieces, and it's just everywhere. So I'm gonna go to IKEA and find a way to get organized. I-95 never disappoints you, that's for darn sure. Alright, now we just gotta get this home and go build it. That's about as much store as I can take for one day. I hate shopping, but I think this will be worth it once I get this home and get it all built up. So let's hurry up and go. I think I may have just found the building that I'm gonna work up to dive. Look at that thing. Absolutely amazing. Yep, I will definitely be back here. So speaking of parts, here's just a small little piece of the parts that I have, plus all the stuff over here, plus all the stuff over here, plus all the stuff over here, and over here, and over here, and over here. So the question is, can all of that fit into all of that? Let's find out. And the assembly line has been started. Oh, hello, kitty. Oh boy. Step 1, insert square peg into round hole. Step 2, connect pieces backwards and start over. Kitties, I really don't require assistance over here. Step 3, fill desk with stuff. So, I am now officially vested in this hobby. I purchased an entire desk just for my hobby. This is going to be so nice. Got my drones up on the wall. Got my charging station over here. Now I'm going to still change this out a little bit. I'm going to take some fire retardant drywall, put that underneath it, keep that a little bit safer while I'm charging my batteries. But check this out. Drawer 1, tools. Drawer 2, heat shrink, all sorts of zip ties and tape. Drawer 3, electronics, spare parts, capacitors, all sorts of fun stuff down here. Motors for my next build, antennas. Drawer 4, M2, M3, M2. Of course, you have to have a heat gun. And final drawer, we have our X lights. We have GoPro mounts, battery straps, of course props, and just miscellaneous parts. So this is going to be absolutely amazing. My entire desk is now clear of stuff. I was working on top of a foldable desk for a few months. Now I can take my next project, get that on the desk, start working on this here. This is my IH3. I have some new motors I'm going to be putting in there. These motors here are going to be going inside of that build, the Baby Hawk, because I blew up one of the motors a month or so back. So it's time to get these back up in the air. So yeah, I'm excited. I have a nice clean spot to work in. This is great. Well guys, I much appreciate you watching today. Hope you enjoyed my first vlog. And I hope everybody has a fantastic week. I should be able to finally get out there today and get some flying done. See, the weather's finally given up. Rain stopped. Sun is out. It's a little windy, but that's okay. Thanks so much, guys. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Click on that red subscribe button. And look out for new videos coming soon. Take care.